While playing fetch in the house with your dog, you notice the ball rolling to the same place in the center of the room. It's as if it's on a string. I would think, what is going on? Stay tuned to hear if your bowing wall can cause your floors to sag. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the Director of Sales Development at Acculevel. Sagging floors can be an issue homeowners have to deal with. In this video, I'll explain what causes sagging floors, can sagging floors be caused by bowing basement walls, and how sagging floors are repaired. But before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. Floors can sag for a multitude of different reasons, whether it's moisture, under-supported during construction, or any other foundation issues that's allowed that floor to come down closer to the ground and therefore showing sagging symptoms. When basement walls bow, what they do in turn is drop at the top of the wall. So as the wall pushes in, the top of the wall gets shorter. This can lead to sagging floor symptoms. So it may look like your floor is running towards the middle or towards the edge of your home, and therefore it looks like it's sinking. In reality, the underlying problem could actually be that your basement wall's bowing itself. So number one, we want to make sure that we're fixing the problem. What caused the sagging floors? Was it moisture? If so, we want to tackle those repairs. Is it the bowed basement wall? If so, we want to make sure that we get that problem fixed. Now, if it's sagging and we've fixed those underlying problems, then we're going to come in and we're going to look at some options, whether it's sistering floor joists, replacing main beams, or just adding supplemental support to help reinforce that floor where it's beginning to weaken and fail. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, Acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your sagging floors? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.